How about the 1969 Chevelle 300 coupe, Hugger orange over black, 850 horsepower, 408 cubic inch, LSX V8, ProCharger supercharger, AFR 225 heads.
What's a 300?
I know what that means.
It's another designation
like
of a Chevelle.
Biscayne. It's like a lower
like trim
model.
level. Yeah.
Don't ask me questions I don't know the answer to.
I thought you knew everything.
Why don't you ask the person who does the research?
Yeah, ask.
Well, you got headphones.
Yeah, exactly. You're hearing what's going on.
No, I'm tuning it out.
And it's got a Holley Terminator EFI, which is so cool because carburetors can be persnickerty.
Yeah.
And all these new Holley, different carburetor manufacturers, whether Holley or Edelbrock, are not just now making these electronic fuel injectors that are just bolt on, right?
Mm-hmm. Well,
So
it's a little more complicated than that.
is that kind of like when I say that, oh, you want to get vintage air for this? It's like $2,000. They're like, it's not $2,000. The unit's more than $2,000.
Wow.
And then you got the labor. And so don't
And
quit
wiring.
saying, you don't say $2,000,
Right.
Stuart, you say that with some tone. Anyway, the Chevelle is pretty darn cool.
Yep.